and now we're behind the scenes in the kitchen. It's absolutely packed out there. They're having a mad party, and look how crazy it is in the kitchen. Let's go.
Yeah, I don't want to mess your hair up, pal.
It don't matter, miss. Get gritty, not look pretty, baby. But just straight in half, yeah?
Straight in half. Bottom's in there, top's in there.
Top man, thank you. Oh shit! Got my finger already. I'm not cut out for this, am I? Fucking well sharp.
Right, you carry on doing that.
How's the new chef getting on, mate?
Got his finger doing bread.
I can't even turn them over, Charmer. Yeah, like that. Oh, that's voila! The perfect beer munchies by Playroom.
Put it on there, say service.
Right, and then put it on here.
Service.
Service, please. Thank you.
Cheers, chef.
All right,
Thank you very
cheers.
much.